Tyson, the Subaru specialist from Subaru Prince George here, and today we're taking a look at the brand new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Limited in the Sand Dune Pearl. Limited is the fully loaded trim in the Crosstrek. It's powered by a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine producing 180 horsepower, so great balance of power and efficiency. Got 8.7 inches of minimum ground clearance, and of course, being a Subaru, you get Subaru's full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive. This is a new color for the 26 model year. You're going to stay very, very clean looking. We've got the blacked out badging on the rear. We've got backup sensors integrated into the rear bumpers, and they'll actually apply the brakes if you think you're going to hit something in reverse between speeds of 1 and 15 kilometers an hour. Far more storage space in the back of a Crosstrek than people expect. Tall, wide, and deep. This one just arrived. Still haven't put the carpet floor mats in, but we have our cup and bottle holders for tailgating on either side. We've got our halogen cargo light that'll shut off when we close the hatch. Underneath here, we have our spare tire and tools, and we have some little details, little Easter egg in there, mountain motif. Easy close hatch. As we move around to the side, we do have the roof rails. They are painted gray on the Limited. Perfect for you to put anything on the roof. Second row, much like the storage area, far more room than people expect looking from the outside. Lots of headroom, lots of legroom. Being the full load Limited, you do get the leather upholstered interior. You get the orange contrast stitching, the orange in the perforations. There's a fold down armrest with integrated cup holders. And we do have 2 USB ports out of the center console to keep everyone connected on those longer trips. There is also a matte back pocket on the rear of the front passenger seat. Textured step if you're loading anything on the roof, and for the 26 model year, Subaru's added rear side impact airbags, which is really nice, in addition to the extra crash safety bar that locks into that slot there. We've got our soft touch armrest, really easy access to the child lock if you need that. It is a proximity key. So long as the key's on your person within 46 inches, we simply touch these lines and it locks. Wait a second, put your hand back in the handle, again, key within 46 inches, and it unlocks. Your hazards do go off to indicate that it's worked, and there's a small audible beep. Front door card is soft touch, armrest is soft touch. Then we have our power windows, including window lock. The Limited does have the upgraded Harman Kardon audio system, phenomenal audio system. And with the Limited, it is a power driver seat, including lumbar, and it's the same seating material, same leather upholstered interior up front as it is in the second row. And we do have tilt and slide sunroof. Inside the Crosstrek Limited with it running, we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have our Bluetooth and audio controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. We have our adaptive cruise and our lane centering on the right. Those use these 3 black boxes, those color stereo EyeSight cameras, to look for cyclists, road lines, pedestrians, and other vehicles. They also do automatic emergency braking. The Limited does get the DriverFocus system. You'll occasionally see a little red light there that's scanning your face, telling you if you're distracted or drowsy while behind the wheel. We have our TomTom powered navigation, no charge for that, free for the life of the vehicle. Radio, you do get a 3-year trial. Yes, 3 years to the SiriusXM Satellite, which is great. Big upgrade from 3 months on the previous gen. Radio, media phone tiles, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You gain access to the My Subaru app after the vehicle's registered in your name. When you put it in reverse, backup camera pops up, rear assist braking, parking sensors are on, shows you the top of the bumper, and the best thing about it is you can clean the backup camera from inside the vehicle without having to get out. Perfect for our sloppy winters. Below that, we've got our climate control. There are physical buttons here behind the plastic. This is just the shipping plastic we haven't removed. It goes up or down in 0.5 degree increments, or we can simply touch, we can drag, we can sync it back to driver controlled, control where we want our airflow being directed. We've got our big fan strength buttons, really hard to miss. Below that, we've got 2 USBs, an auxiliary, and a wireless charger. USBs are illuminated, just like the ones in the back. Automatic CVT with manual mode. We do have paddles if we want to manually select our own gears. Heated seats, high and low for both the front driver and passenger. Fantastic with the leather. We've got our electronic park brake, our offset cup holders with drink raisers, 12-volt power point. Then we do have a soft touch armrest with a ton of storage in it, place to run cords out of. Then up top, we have our SOS and roadside, part of the My Subaru Connected Services trials. And we have our tilt and slide sunroof controls. That is a quick look at the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Limited in the Sand Dune Pearl. You can find that down here at the corner of 1st and Victoria, Subaru of Prince George.